Hey guys, it's Sharee, and in today's video, I'm going to be taking my nephew's Asian black hair and bleaching it blonde. So this is my nephew, and he asked me if I can bleach his hair, and of course, for family, I will say yes. So he has natural black hair. The products I will be using for bleaching is this Igora Vargo Blonde Bleach and the Blonde Me Developer in 30 Vol. I'm just going to take a scoop of the powdered bleach and I'm going to be eyeballing 2 scoops of the cream developer and mix it till it gets to a nice creamy consistency. Now to apply the bleach, I'm going to start at the back of the head. I learned that starting from the front processes the bleach a lot quicker than if you start at the back. So that's why I'm starting this at the back of the head. And I'm just using a comb to help spread the bleach. I just want to put a disclaimer out there and let you all know that I am not a professional. These are techniques that I've learned on my own, and if you guys don't know what you're doing and want to bleach your hair, please go to a professional because you do not want to ruin your hair if you do not know the proper techniques to use. As you can see, I have not applied bleach to the sides of his hair yet. Since it is very short, I leave it for the last step because it will process faster since it's so close to the scalp. And as you can see, the bleach really took to his hair well. So now I'm going to place a shower cap on his hair and let it process for a few more minutes. After washing his hair, this is what it looks like. So now it's time to tone it. To tone his hair, I will be using the Ion Color Brilliance in Modern Beige, and it'll be mixed with a 10 volume developer. I'm basically going to just apply the toner to his hair with a brush as quickly and as evenly as I could. And left that on for about 10 minutes. After washing the toner out, we didn't really like the color it turned, so I toned it once again using Wella Charms T18 along with a 10 volume developer. Now this is starting to look more like the color we were going for. So I only left this on for about 10 minutes and washed it out. And this is the results that we got. He was aiming to achieve the blonde that Zayn Malik has here, and I have to say it's pretty close. So I recommended using purple shampoo to help remove any of the brassiness that was left behind. Other than that, that is about it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!